Assessment is the process of carefully observing, listening, and gathering information to understand where someone is in their learning or development journey. It's not just about assigning a grade or a score. It's about seeing the whole person, their strengths, their struggles, and their potential. Assessment helps guides decisions, spark conversations, and open doors to improvement. It comes in many forms like a quiz, a project, a discussion, or even a simple check-in. And it works best when it's used to support growth rather than simply measure as it arts. Assessment is about learning, reflecting, and moving forward. Assessment strategies should be congruent with the expectations, student demonstrations, and teaching learning activities in any unit of study. Assessment should therefore be planned in advance and integral, meaningful part of the instructional process. It is important that all assessment focus on individual performance in meeting the expectation. In order to collect valid and accurate information about student attainment of the outcomes assessment should involve a variety of strategies used frequently throughout the instructional process. Assessment should also be collaborative, involving all participants in the learning process, students, peers, family, and teachers. In this, the criteria on which assessment is based should be made clear to all of the participants at the outset.
Assessment ay hindi lamang simpleng pagbibigay ng grado o pagsusulit. Isa itong mahalagang paraan upang masukat at maunawaan ang pag-unlad ng isang mag-aaral sa kanyang pagkatuto. Sa pamamagitan nito, nalalaman ng guro kung anong bahagi ng aralin ang kailangang bigyang pansin at kung paano pa matutulungan ng estudyante. Hindi ito ginagamit para husgahan, kundi para alalayan at suportahan ang bawat isa ayon sa kanilang pangangailangan. Ang assessment ay nagsisilbing gabay sa paglalakbay ng isang tao sa pagkatuto. Pinapakita nito kung nasaan na siya ngayon at kung paano siya makakarating sa kanyang layunin. Ang mga paraan ng pagsusuri o assessment ay dapat tumutugma sa inaasahang matututunan ng mga estudyante sa paraan ng kanilang pagpapakita ng natutunan at sa mga aktibidad sa pagtuturo at pagkatuto sa bawat aralin. Dahil dito, mahalagang maiplano ng maaga ang assessment at isama ito bilang isang makabuluhang bahagi ng buong proseso ng pagtuturo. Hindi dapat ito iniisip bilang hiwalay o panghuli lang, kung hindi bilang kasamang gabay sa bawat akbang ng pagkatuto ng bata. Mahalaga ring tandaan na ang bawat assessment ay dapat nakapokus sa individual na kakayahan at pagsisikap ng bawat mag-aaral upang matugunan ang mga inaasahan. Sa madaling salita, ang assessment ay hindi lamang para sukatin ang kaalaman, ito ay para makita kung paano talaga natututo ang isang estudyante at paano pa natin sila matutulungan.